the 2011 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This two-door, two-passenger convertible still has fewer than 5,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The following features are included: leather upholstery, heated seats, front fog lights, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.